Hi, I'm Kevin, founder of the PP ETF. What is the PP ETF? Well, it's an exchange-traded fund that lets you invest in innovative companies that we choose for you. For example, here is, well, me at the shareholder meeting at Tesla trying to help Elon do what's best, in our opinion, for the company. Take a listen.
Hey Elon, meet Kevin here.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. So Tesla is the largest position in my ETF, ticker PP, and that's for pricing power.
Right.
And I'm curious, I really think that some of the features that you highlighted here, like the over-the-air airbag deployments of improving the features, the safety features, are great things that we could be advertising. $525 off every car this year is half of Netflix's advertising budget. $1,000 is the entire Netflix advertising budget, and I see their ads everywhere. Why not advertise these things that you told us here? I feel like nobody else knows about this.
I talk to a lot of people, and they still think that like Teslas are like super expensive. And like, no, actually, the starting price for a Tesla is below the average auto price in the U.S. It's like, and that's a good thing. I believe in taking suggestions, so we'll try a little advertising and see how it goes.
I mean, I believe in listening to shareholders, and I actually was surprised by the level of enthusiasm for advertising. The questions are not scripted in any way.
So in that moment, you just said, all right, we'll do some ads.
That's right.
Now, in addition to having somebody advocate for you in pricing power and innovative companies, what are the benefits of an ETF? Well, they're really simple. Number one, ETFs give you a lot of ease and flexibility. You can buy them in a retirement account or any stock brokerage account. You simply buy the shares in the ETF. By buying into an ETF, your money is automatically broken up into the ETF holdings. It's automatically divided into those holdings. So let's say an ETF is made of just 2 holdings, which this is not, but just for explanatory purposes, let's just say it's made up of 2 holdings. All of our holdings in PP you could see down below in the holdings breakdown. But let's say there were just 2. For sake of argument, you've got then $40 going into A and $60 going into B. One of the cool things about the ETF structure is if we decided we're not the biggest fans of B anymore, and let's say we wanted to rebalance or reallocate by reducing the $60 position $20. We could do that for you and you wouldn't have to do anything. That's the beauty of the ETF structure. But not only this, let's say there was a massive gain that we were selling B at. If we structure it correctly, we might be able to trade our shares in B for shares in C without passing on any capital gains taxes to you. That's actually really remarkable since often when you have a winner in the stock market, you might have to pay large amounts of capital gains. But if we have a really large winner within the fund, which hopefully there will be many of course there cannot be a guarantee of, but hopefully there will be many of, if we wanted to trim a position in one of those large winners, we might be able to help minimize your taxes through the ETF structure. This is very unique to just ETFs, and if they're structured right, you might pay no gains as we rebalance the portfolio. That is incredible. But of course, with tax advice, always consult your CPA for more information on taxes. But for the ease and number 2, that potential tax benefit, it's important to remember that there are management fees. Our present ETF management fee is 77 basis points. That means on $100, you would be paying approximately 77 cents per year in fees. Now, in the future, we might change that amount, but we can't make any guarantees of that. When and if we change that amount, it might be to the lower side in the future as our fund grows, but we can't make any promises of when that will be or if it will be. When that time comes, though, we will make sure to update everyone. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out by sending an email to kevin@stockhack.com.